guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this look with some new products, not new to you guys, but new to me products. So let's get into it. Alright, my hair is messy. It looks like shot today. I curled it, I put some detangler in it, and it does not look good, so ignore it. But today, I found this product. This is the Hard Candy Camouflage Full Coverage Foundation. It is 16-hour wear and oil-free. So here it is. I've had this for like 3 weeks now, and I have not used it because I suck. Oh, it has one of these kind of applicators, which is nice. So we're just gonna pull on the face. I do love these kind of applicators, so I'm very excited about that. Just putting on the face. I'm gonna put a little bit more under the eye because I don't have a new concealer, so I kind of want to get more of this product, like more out of it. Hopefully it does not oxidize. Let's start out with this side of the face. And if it doesn't look good, I'll put something else over it because I got shit to do. Okay, so far so good. It is turning a little orange for me. I don't know if that's just the color or if it's oxidizing. I don't think it's oxidizing. I think it's just the color. Yeah, it's just the color. Okay. Putting it on the face on this side. I'm just gonna put it everywhere else that I want to put it. I love that it has this applicator for sure. Like, it makes my life so much more easier. I'm about to go roller skating, so it says 16-hour wear, so I'll let you guys know if it sucks. I probably won't let you guys know if it like works super good because I'll forget, but if it sucks, I'll let you know. I don't want you guys using a product that sucks. So, but I feel like it's not going to. It seems to be working pretty good. Now, I don't have a full face of new products. It's just certain products I've not used before. I don't know. But we're gonna put on some concealer because I'm looking like a cracky head. And this right here is just the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. This is in the shade C1. Okay, next thing that is new for me, this is the Jaclyn Hill Luminous Powder in the shade Do Me. I'm assuming it's a setting powder. I don't know. We're gonna use it though. I'm gonna take it. It's a very pretty product. That's it. And then the packaging probably has like my handprints all over it, but here it is. Since I am gonna be roller skating, I'm gonna set my face also. Hopefully this stays looking good. I don't know. But now it is time for the Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. Here it is. I'm just gonna take this palette and dry my face with it. I didn't even tell you the shade of this. This is the shade Ultra Light. I don't know if it's ultra light. I'm pretty white. And this ain't ultra light. Yeah, this foundation would have looked way better if I put like a pore primer on right now. My pores would be popping right now. There's a plane flying over my house. Sounds like a military plane. I live near an Air Force base and a military base. Okay, I wouldn't even tell you what I'm using. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. What is it called? Palette. It's just a duo palette. Blush and bronzer. It's the Pink Me Up and Oh Honey shades. Using this. So I was never like a fan of Jaclyn Hill. but she received so much hate after the lipsticks issue, and that's when I became in love with her because she didn't deserve it. Nobody's trying to sell shit stuff to get bullied later. People still bully her all the time, so I'm a big supporter of her now. Everything's always sold out at the store. So I got my hands on this and 2 other products. The other day I found those products and I freaked out. I didn't even look at the price, I just bought them. God, it must be the jets flying over my house right now. There's also an airport like 10 minutes from my house too, so. And this was the Morphe M527 brush. Now I'm going to be using this Cosmic brush. It's a blush brush. I'm going to be using this, and I'm just going to use the blush in the palette. But this bronzer and blush always blend. This bronzer and blush always blend out so nicely. So soft. The formula is so unique. So soft and perfect. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a highlighter, but I can't tell you for sure. Oh yeah, it's a highlighter. Duh. Duh, it's a highlighter. I'm so dumb. This is, I haven't even opened it up yet. So this is Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Spark. It is a highlighter. Now, I'm going to put on the cheeks. I'm using this Doll 10 Prepping Perfector brush. Hopefully this is a good shade for me. Oh, it kind of is. Oh, yeah, it's cool looking. Oh, I love this shade. Yeah, this shade is so cool. It's like one of those shades that are like a darker gold, but not too dark of a gold for my light skin, but I also have a weird foundation on too. But I'm gonna take my sponge, go over everything, including the nose, very lightly. And I love doing this. It just makes everything melt into the skin, especially the highlighters. It always just melts into the skin. I mean, you guys can see that. I know you can. You guys can see that. All right, now time for the brows. I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay Inked Brow, the autofocus. Urban Decay Inked Brow in Brown Sugar. It's my favorite brow. It's my favorite brow product. Ever since I got it, I can't use anything else. Okay, so I've been doing a quick brow with this. It has an angled brush, if you guys can see. So normally I just go in with my brush, which I will, but I'm gonna use this first to kind of shape out everything. It just makes it a little bit quicker. And this product, like if you mess up, it's so easy to wipe down and clean up. I'm taking an angled brush also. Okay, my camera shut off, but I used the Essence Make Me Brow here. This is in the shade Brownie Brows. I cleaned up the brows a tiny bit with concealer, just a small bit, but this is how it is. It's not too sharp. So I got this palette right here from Romantic Beauty. I haven't used their products yet, but this looks so pretty. So here's the packaging, and here is the actual palette. I mean, look at this. Look at all those shades. So pretty. Okay. I am beyond excited to try this out. I don't think it'll fail me. It looks so pretty. I'm going to be starting out with the shade B2 right here. And I like how these are labeled out too. So A, B, C, D, E. And we're just going to be taking out a more fluffier brush. And I'm just taking it a little bit higher up in the crease. More like a transition shade. This is a Morphe brush. It does not have a name on it. Now I'm going to be taking the shade B7 here. I'm not going to use it too dark right now, but I'm going to take a little bit of it. I'm going to try to use it lightly and just use it in the crease for some definition. Oh, it's not too dark either, so that's good. Yeah, I love that. Those shades look so good together. I'm gonna take that first brush again and just start blending out a little better. So I cannot not use this shade. So I'm gonna be taking this bright blue. Those are like my favorite shades to use on eyelids. I'm gonna be taking this Cosmic flat brush. This is the shade E5, and I'm going to be taking it into the crease. Oh, ooh, okay. Yes, ma'am. This shade is beautiful. It's so unique too. Taking this on the lid with my finger, making it a little bit more foiled. I'm taking that brown shade we were using again, and I'm just using it to blend out into the blue shade, creating like a darker out here, and then a little bit of an ombre effect into that blue. I'm just taking that brush, no extra product on it, the fluffier brush, and we're just blending everything out into like a little circle. So I don't know if this is the best shade for the inner corner, but I'm gonna use this one right here, and that's the shade A6. I'm just gonna try it. We're gonna try it. I don't know if it's the best for it. I don't know if it's bright enough. It's bright, but with my skin tone, I have to have like way brighter. It's just that like a lot of shimmer shades that are a little bit darker always kind of look muddy in the inner corner, but this one does not. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using this Romantic Beauty Bright Liquid Eyeliner, and this is, I'm probably blind, but I don't see a shade number. I don't see a shade number name on it, but here it is. We're just gonna use it. It is a very light blue shade. And I'm gonna wipe it off a little bit. We're gonna use it this way in the eye. I'll show you. I'll probably fail, but I'll show you. Okay, so I messed it up right here, but I'm gonna let it dry before I go in again. I needed to make it a little higher up. It's actually drying down pretty fast already. So I'm gonna crouch down a little bit. There we go. This actually dries down really fast, and it's not cracking at all. It goes on very easy. I am very shaky handed, so I messed up a little bit, but I'm so excited. I think they have other colors, so I'm gonna go buy some more because that's so pretty. I can never find liquid eyeliners that are colored like that actually look good. Okay, so now going back into that brown shade, I'm taking a flat brush. We're just gonna pack it under the eye. Also, can we talk about how there is no fallout at all? None. Zero fallout. I'm gonna take that first shade we use on a small brush and blend it out. Next thing, I have an eyeliner from Romantic Beauty. Also, it's the Inked Dip Liner. I'll just show you the packaging first. So here is the packaging. And then you open it up and you got a dip liner. Now, I do wish it was a different kind of brush, but I'm gonna try to work with it, but I'm gonna work with it off camera because if not, I will fail and I'm going somewhere and I don't have time to redo my makeup, so. Okay, so I did that. I put on a mascara after the liner and then I just put on some lashes because why not? So, and I wasn't going to do them on camera because I suck at it, but now for lipstick, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Muse. Alright, that is everything for this look. I loved everything that I used today. Even the foundation, it was giving me trouble at first because of the shade, but after setting powder on it and then setting it with spray, it looks great now. The eyeshadow, the whole eye look, incredible. I love this liquid lipstick. Yeah, everything worked great. The highlighter, we love her. The powder, we love her too. I'm gonna start doing small giveaways at once. I have a lot of makeup and then a lot of makeup sent to me that I already have, and then yeah, I just have a lot of makeup. So first thing, I'm gonna give you guys this Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blush Bloodlust palette. So I have just the packaging right here, and then I'm gonna open it up for you guys very lightly. I don't want to break the box. Move it. The freaking packaging is incredible. I love this palette. And then here is the inside. I'm just gonna take this little plastic thing off for a second and not mess up anything. But here's the inside. We got some beautiful shades. And then the next thing, I'm gonna be giving you guys this Jeffree Star Orgy palette. Here it is. It's all beautiful matte nude shades. I'm trying to be careful for you guys, but here it is. I know a lot of you guys like very simple matte nude shades, so here we've got them. And yeah, so those are 2 items that I'm going to be giving away. So that is the giveaway items that I'm going to be giving away today. So all you have to do is like this video, comment down below, comment whatever your favorite product that I used today was. Comment that, then comment done, and go follow my Instagram. And that's all you have to do. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.